Welcome back to the program and welcome to the At Home with Didiayer craft room. I was so inspired by all the things that Mary Sue Milliken shared with us, and it made me start to think about celebrating kids. My daughter's birthday is coming up soon, so I wanted to show you some inexpensive decorative details that you can add to really liven up your next party or occasion. So today we are using washi tape. Washi tape is inexpensive and it's so universal and so easy to use. What I've done over here is I've added some great details to some paper bags. Instead of using bowls or plates, you can simply just take a paper bag, roll down the sides, and add washi tape to it. And over here, what I've done with the cutlery is I've just wrapped it in a napkin and I've added a nice little detail, just to dress it up a little bit. It's very easy. I found these pre-made details from my local dollar store. You can use paper and cut out a nice pattern, and you'd want to make them quite small. And simply just take your washi tape, place it on, rip it off, and there you go. You've got a nice napkin ring that you can add to your knives and forks. Very easy, very simple. Another very simple and easy decorative detail is creating these little flags for appetizers. Again, so simple. Taking a toothpick, a little bit of washi tape, hold it out like this, place in your toothpick, and very carefully try and line it up. It took me a couple of turns to do this. You're then just gonna take your scissors, cut, and then obviously take your scissors to the corner and to the other corner. Voila, and then you've got nice little appetizer flags for your party. Another simple idea is adding washi tape to glassware, putting them on your straws. Another idea just to liven it up. Something else that goes really well with celebrating in parties, of course, are the invitations. You're not gonna have a party if no one's there. So I wanna show you how easy it is to make invitations using washi tape. I'm gonna be using scrapbooking paper because it's durable for when you're putting it in the mail. I'm gonna put my paper in here and cut my desired width. If you don't have a cutting board like this, you can always just use a ruler and some scissors to get that straight edge. Once you've got your desired width of paper, you're going to want to determine which side you want to use. I'm going to leave this as the exterior side and the real decorative on the interior. You want to lay it down and simply just fold it over, leaving at least 2 inches or more, because this is going to be the top of the envelope that folds over and closes it up. Now that you have all your seams, the next thing you're going to do is take your washi tape and be sure that when you lay your washi tape on the sides here, that you're splitting the difference. Once you've done that, you're going to pull it down, rip it off, turn it over, and take the other side of the washi tape and place it down. Take your scissors, cut the base off, and there's one side done. And turn it around and do the other side. And there you have it. There's your envelope. The next thing that I'm going to do to add just that extra special detail to this envelope is to cut some nice round corners. I have this 3-in-1 rotating corner cutter. And the great thing about this is that you can choose any different side. And you're simply just going to take your envelope and slide it in and cut. And you can see how it just gives it that nice edge there. So there's a difference. You got the round edge or the straight edge. Do the other side. And that looks great. So cutting those corners off really just adds that nice envelope feel to the envelope that you just created using washi tape and paper. To take it one step further, I'm going to use an instrument by Fiskars. I love Fiskars products. They really make crafting a lot easier. This is a beautiful butterfly print, and I'm just gonna slide that in the middle there and cut down. And take a look at that, isn't that pretty? Now, if you do have a tool like this and you end up with a bunch of little butterflies like this, Don't throw these guys away. You can go to our website. I have another wonderful craft utilizing these butterflies for you. But there you have it, an envelope. It has a nice little detail, paper and washi tape. Be sure to secure the flap before you put it in the mail, and before long, you will be having a party with all your friends. Are you a crafter on the hunt for your next project? We've got tons of quick and simple ideas for you to try. Just visit athomewithdidiayer.com. You'll find tons of creative projects from my craft room, along with step-by-step tutorials, guest crafters, and 5-minute DIYs. The ideas are as endless as your imagination when you visit athomewithdidiayer.com.